How to install custom fonts in Android. It's a quick way to personalize your device without installing any third-party apps. First, open the Settings app on your Android. Scroll down and tap Display. Next, scroll until you find Font Size and Style, then tap on it. Now select Font Style. Here you'll see the fonts that are already available on your Android. If you want a different look, tap Download Fonts. This will open the Galaxy Store, where you can browse additional fonts. Depending on your phone or One UI version, the Galaxy Store may ask you to restart before displaying the font library. Choose the font you like and tap the Install button. Once the download is complete, go back to the Font Style menu, select the newly installed font, and it will be applied instantly across your Android phone. That's all it takes to change the font style and install custom fonts on your Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more Android tips and step-by-step tutorials.